right, so location. This home is centered perfectly in Durango downtown, not downtown, but in town, right next to the Animas Mountain Trail. You have Mountain Middle School, you have Miller, you have the high school right down the road, you have Durango's restaurant, you have Zia Taqueria, you have Serious Texas, you have so many things that are right here. You got Sage, you got 81301, you got all the coffee shops on this side. I mean, you got Taste Coffee. I mean, there's so much that is right here. You can literally ride your bike anywhere. If you got an e-bike, then you can really go anywhere. The Animas River Trail is literally just right across the street and down the way. So you got City Market you could go to. So there's so many options for this home. So if location is important to you and you want to be in town, this is a in-town home. And we got a nice long big deck, which is great for being able to enjoy during the wintertime, summertime, springtime, all that stuff. We got Flagstone out front, so there's some great pieces to this home. We got a 2-car garage. We're going to show you all that. So let's go ahead and jump into the home. Let's go.
All right, let's check out the house. Okay, we walk in to an open concept living room with beautiful bamboo flooring. We have a wood burning fireplace here, beautiful exposed beams. Even in the living space here, we have closets. We have our kitchen over here in the corner with working appliances, a stone backsplash, and these sleek wooden cabinets. Yeah, you can put a large table, plenty of room for a large table, or a medium-sized table such as this.
All right, let's check out the master. So we're in the master bedroom, and it's a good sized master. You got great lighting, and it's just a good space to have everything you need. You got a nice desk, you got kind of the built-in closet space, in my opinion, which is awesome. A lot of awesome woodwork in here. We have a decent sized closet, probably a little small for some of you ladies or men, but it could be a lot bigger. Here's the bathroom. So I love the bathroom. There's something called here, what they call a peekaboo shower. So your significant other could be in there and, you know, hanging out, and you're like, all right, you know, just getting ready for the evening time, get a glass of wine. But it is kind of cool having that peekaboo shower. You also have the his and her sink with the nice countertops, but the nice stone here, and then obviously the toilet. So yeah, good, nice lighting up top, and then there's good space up above that you could use for storage. It could be reading, it could be yoga. You could do a lot of stuff up there. So this is the master, and I'm gonna show you here in just a little bit. We do have the bathroom that services the or just like the main living area. Also, the master is on the main, just for those who are wondering. But this back deck is awesome. We'll show you here in just a little bit. Let's go ahead and head upstairs. And yes, there are stairs. So if stairs are a no for you, just go ahead and subscribe to the video, like it, and continue on with your search. So,
all right, wait. You're greeted by the coolest little nook I've ever seen. Could be for a display, but I mean, if you put a mattress up here, a sleeping pad, your kids are gonna think it's the coolest thing. I mean, I would take a nap up here or sleep up here, no problem, but the kids are gonna love it. All right, let's keep going upstairs. Got some tandem closets, shelving in this one, more shelving here. First bedroom. Great bedroom here. We got a east-facing window. You look out into the Animas River Valley over here, and this is a south-facing window, so you get a good look at the valley. Let's go to the second bedroom. All right, so great views, west-facing up the Hog's Back, and as you're gonna see in most of the house, it has great storage space. So we got storage space here, tandem closets here as well. You got cabinets on this side of the bedroom as well as on this side. And then in between, splitting the 2 bedrooms, you got the perfect size bathroom right here. Yeah, I mean, all you need here, plenty of storage again. Great tile work in here, beautiful countertop. It's a big world out there, folks, but here you have the perfect slice of heaven. So let's come check out the backyard.
all right, so here we are underneath the deck actually, but it's great. You can do workouts out here. You can store your stuff, whether it's a lawnmower, yard equipment, whatever it is. It could be the games, it could be cornhole. A great storage space for still being outdoors, right? And then we have a great backyard. I love the backyard. One of my favorite parts of the home is just being in the backyard. You can relax. There's a fence for privacy or for your pup friends or whatever it is. You got a hot tub, which is also really great. But yeah, I mean, you can just sit back here. You could probably do some sunbathing, but a lot of different planter boxes, and you got a fence so the deer, I mean, I can't promise you the deer won't get back here, but it is kind of cool. So you got great planter boxes, and then you have these huge natural rocks that are just a part of the property, which I think is awesome. And it's the backyard. It's grass. It's great. I love it. All right, and my name is Kyle Kunkel, real estate agent here in Durango, and we love touring and showing off properties. This is a special one, so I'm excited for you to see it. Make sure that you subscribe and follow our channel, because we're always putting out good content about what to do in Durango, the best places to eat and hike, and other homes and other communities. So if you're considering moving to Durango or listing your property, we would love to have a conversation with you. We'll leave a survey down below or our information, and looking forward to connecting with you. Talk to you soon.
I'm Landry Cogburn. I'm a local real estate agent. I'm looking forward to showing you this home. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and yeah, let's go. Call me up. Let's get it shown.